Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this time, I'm going to do a charging test in the Realme X2 Pro while watching the YouTube videos continuously. So let's check how fast the phone can charge fully while watching the YouTube videos. So recently I did a similar kind of video while playing the PUBG game, how much time the Realme X2 Pro takes to charge completely from starting from 2% to the 100%. So while playing the PUBG game. So if you have not watched the video, I'll highly recommend to watch the video guys first. So I'll get a clear idea how good the charging speed rate is in the Realme X2 Pro device. So right now you can see the watt variant I'm using, 8GB 128GB variant. So I'm using the 50 watts charger which came along with the box. So I got the chart ready over here. As you can see, this is a charging test which I did in the X2 Pro device. So this is a side charging test right now I'm doing while watching the YouTube videos. So I'll be noting down the timings for every 10 minutes. So we can compare side by side, is there any difference in terms of the charging speed or not. So in this test I'll be using the Wi-Fi signal and the YouTube videos which I'll be playing only with the loudspeaker, not with the earphones plugged in. So as you can see here friends, I plugged in the charger and I started stopwatch. So I got my playlist ready, playing continuously in the YouTube. So this is the playlist of the Realme X2 Pro device. So I'll be playing with the loudspeaker continuously for 10 minutes. So let's check how fast the phone can charge while watching the YouTube videos in the loudspeaker. So again I'll be back after 10 minutes. So as you can see here friends, right now the 10 minutes time is up, and let me show you the battery percentage, how much it is right now here. So let me try to focus on that. So as you can see here friends, battery percentage is of 45%. So which is very impressive guys. Even though you're watching the YouTube videos in the loudspeaker, still the battery percentage is pretty good. As you can see here, it's charging very fastly. So which is a very close to the real life charging test which I did. So again I'll be back after 10 more minutes. We'll get to know how much the battery got charged. So as you can see here friends, for the 20 minutes of charging the Realme X2 Pro, playing the YouTube videos in loudspeaker, the battery reached to the 80% as you can see here. So throughout the test I have used only with the 50% of brightness. So 80% is the battery life right now. So which is very close equal to the charging test guys when the phone is in switch off mode. So no matter even the phone is on or off, the charging speed rate is very consistent in the Realme X2 Pro device. So we'll get to know how much time it takes to completely fully charge the Realme X2 Pro device. So if the phone gets fully charged in 30 minutes, this will be the very best phone guys for everyone. So as you can see here friends, finally the battery reached to the 100% exactly at the 28 minutes. So no matter guys, whatever the type of usage, the Realme X2 Pro phone charges pretty faster. So you can compare the scores side by side, as you can see. So took only 28 minutes to completely fully charge from 2% to the 100% of battery in the Realme X2 Pro device. So this is a usage with while watching the YouTube videos, even with the loudspeaker. I try to watch throughout the time. So in terms of the charging speed rate guys, I'm pretty much satisfied with the Realme X2 Pro device. So for example, if you're trying to watch any TV show or anything in the YouTube for 30 minutes, you can charge completely the Realme X2 Pro guys. So this is very good. For 1 day of usage, you can expect only with the 15 or 20 minutes of charging in the device, in the X2 Pro device. So this will be the biggest selling point for the X2 Pro phone. So initially I started to use only charging a few times, but later every day morning I'm just charging only 20 to 25 minutes, that's it. So during that time I'm getting ready for my office. So by the time the phone will get fully charged, so this is only the phone which I'm going to office only with 100% of battery percentage every day. So other phones it takes a lot of time to charge, and consistently I'm not even charging to the 100% every time. But in the X2 Pro, every time I start my day only with the 100% of battery percentage. This is only possible because of the fast charging rate it has got. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.